An act of God is a sudden and inevitable occurrence caused by natural forces and not as a result of human activity, like flood, earthquake, or a similar catastrophe. In business, the phrase act of God is not associated with any particular religion or belief system. Contractual language referring to act of God are known as force majeure clauses, which are often used by insurance companies. These clauses typically release the party of its obligation to an extent when events beyond their control take place and leave them unable to perform their part of the contract.